Okay, Samsung has a massive problem, and it's all about two phones, the S26 Plus and the S26 Edge. We thought we knew the plan, but now everything is chaos. For months, the rumor was simple. Samsung was finally killing off the boring Galaxy S26 Plus. Why? Because it never really sold that well. Its replacement was supposed to be the new, super thin, stylish phone they started with the S25 lineup, the Galaxy S26 Edge. It was a bold move, maybe copying Apple's Air idea, but it made sense. A new super slim phone, a base S26, and the Ultra. 3 models, clean, simple. But here's the kicker. The current S25 Edge, it's flopping. And honestly, I get it. The S25 Edge looked amazing, but true beauty is on the inside, right? This phone was razor thin, which meant they had to put a tiny, disappointing battery inside. It was beautiful, but empty. The hype died fast. So, because the S25 Edge is failing to meet sales goals, Samsung is doing the unthinkable. They are bringing the Galaxy S26 Plus back from the dead. Yes, we might get 4 phones, the S26, the S26 Plus, the S26 Edge, and the S26 Ultra. Now, if they launch both the S26 Plus and the S26 Edge, they have a huge problem. They will be competing with themselves. If the Plus is just a slightly bigger version of the base S26, and the Edge is just a super skinny version of the same size as the Plus, they're going to eat into each other's sales. The Plus fans want a big screen and a big battery without paying for the Ultra. The Edge fans want that super slim, eye-catching design. But if the Plus is still just meh and the Edge is still too thin for a good battery, both phones are going to be left on the shelf. They need to find a way to make them completely different. Okay, that being said, it's just me, but if you ask me, I think ditching the boring middle ground and making the resurrected S26 Plus a compact powerhouse would be a safe bet. Like giving it a smaller, maybe 6.2-inch screen, specs such as the best processor, and maybe even the 200-megapixel camera from the Ultra. A small phone with zero compromises. And for the S26 Edge, don't make it a skinny disappointment. Use cutting-edge battery tech to squeeze a huge battery into that slim body. Make it a design statement that actually lasts all day. Right now, Samsung is just throwing things at the wall hoping something sticks. They lack a clear plan, and that's the biggest worry for the Galaxy S26 series. All that said, are you more excited for a powerful S26 Plus comeback or the sleek design of the S26 Edge? Let me know in the comments. Like this video and subscribe for all the latest S26 news. We'll be tracking this until the official launch. Peace out.